Yes, it is the most difficult job I've ever done. You got to be willing to put in the work. It's a good job overall and a really good experience to have.
It's also really cool to be able to draw connections between the things that I'm studying in school and then being out here and seeing how things get done on the ground level and being able to connect the two things together to see how does it relate to the bigger picture.
Not only do I get to see the crew side of it, the drilling side of it, I've been able to work with the directional drillers and MWDs, what they do and how that works, and hanging out with the mud engineer, been able to do mud tests with him. That's what makes it a great experience to me.
When I first came in here, I had no knowledge about anything when it comes to drilling rigs. So coming in here and talking to everyone around location was really eye-opening for me.
It's also great to just do something I've never done before and come out here and be able to kind of see what you're capable of.
It's a good internship. They take care of you and they know what they're doing.
Especially if you're trying to go into drilling route, this internship is something that can really give you that experience that drilling companies are going to look for in their engineers and their hirees.
Whenever I started helping them trip pipe and they saw that I wasn't afraid to get dirty, I'm contributing now.
I mean, you have to put in the work. You have to have the ability to be out here and be away for 14 days. It's going to be some hard work, but if you're ready for it, it's definitely a really good experience.